Hi all, it's Harmon again from Misfit Adventure. Today we're going to do the editing a move list for characters in ikemengo. Let's go ahead and pull up what we need to. So, if we see on the screen here, we are in Fighter Factory. Fighter Factory will be providing this link, but it's downloaded for Virtual Tech Game Studios, and we use the Windows version in this case. Alright, so to go ahead and do it, you can just open up a project, and then what you want to look for is the .def. So in this case, we're in our normal folder for Kung Fu Man, and we opened up this file. Now, I have two separate projects opened up right now just to show you the difference. So whenever you go into this can be overwhelming and the interface isn't great. But all you need to do is you need to just navigate it. So these buttons up top right here where my mouse is, I am in commands. So commands will help us upload the move commands a bit better. As we go up a bit, we can see the remapping and the button remapping section that ikemengo does it, and the instructions are right here. So we can see that, down, down, forward, forward, X are moves. So let's look at the triple Kung Fu Man palm. Well, we see this happen both. That's because X and Y, as we can see, are kick moves. Strike moves. So we need to, what we want to try and do is make this even easier. So we can see here we have to do, within a set time, all these commands to properly do this combo. I'm not, admittedly, the greatest game player, so let's look at this project that I did change it to. Alright, in this command file, I'm now changed it just to down, down, forward X, or down, down, forward Y. So either which way, we're going to see that the move list changed. All I literally did was just type it in. We've got it saved, and we've got a good, proper mapping on it. Alright, as with everything else, I'm going to go ahead and close Fighter Factory. And we're going to go test it out. Now, if you want to see why I have this old ikemengo nightly, that's just because that was the previous version some of the earlier videos had, and this is the modern version. I think each time I'll do it, that way I could edit characters for you. So in here, boom. It's kind of hard to see my key prompts, but all I have to do is hit the while doing this. Alright, and that's really about it. Big things to note on control mappings. So if I were to open up Fighter Factory again, and always look at the directory. Just note, so we're in the kfm.def. As we pull this up, don't make it too simple or you will break the game of, like, if you just tried to make this just X or Y, since those are the basic punching commands, you're going to break your build. But as we can see, we can make far easier combos for our characters to play. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll go to more advanced characters to see how we can edit their move lists, since sometimes those are a lot more complicated, and because they're independent creators or modders, it's sometimes harder to see what those are. Alright everybody, thank you for watching, and happy gaming!